Let's take a look at the Intoxilyzer 8000, manufactured by CMI. It's the breath test machine that's used in Broward County and Palm Beach County in seeking DUI convictions. An Intoxilyzer 8000 breath alcohol test is key evidence in many DUI investigations. People who are charged with driving under the influence will usually get a copy of the breath test either from the police, the Bureau of Motor Vehicles, or the Broward State Attorney's Office. While the form shows a result at the bottom, it does not say anything about how the machine works or how to read the printout. An Intoxilyzer 8000 breath alcohol test is key evidence in many DUI investigations. People who are charged with driving under the influence will usually get a copy of the breath test result if they submitted, either from the police, the Bureau of Motor Vehicles, or the Broward State Attorney's Office, or if the DUI occurred in Palm Beach County, then Palm Beach County State Attorney's Office. Now, while this form shows a result at the bottom, it's not going to say anything about how the machine works or how to read the printout. So how does it work? Well, the first thing we want to do is take a look at the internal calibration and the testing process that these Intoxilyzers must undergo. Then, there's going to be a walkthrough of an actual test results sheet to give you an idea of how to read these forensic breath test reports. An Intoxilyzer 8000 machine works by exposing air in a sample chamber to infrared light. That's the bottom line. The subject blows into this device. The air sample is collected and held in an area like a diaphragm, and light is emitted through the breath. When the light is emitted through the breath, ethanol within the breath absorbs some of that light, a minute amount of that light. This absorption is done on the opposite end of the testing chamber. So see this, on one end, you have what's like a flashlight. That's where the testing light is being emitted. And on the other, there's an absorption board. So alcohol molecules, like I said, are known to absorb a certain amount of this infrared radiation. And so if alcohol is in the sample chamber, a predictable proportion of the light will not reach the sensor wall on the opposite end. It's almost hard to believe. So what we're saying in essence is this machine compares the light that was sent with the light received on the other end. In making this comparison, this machine is somehow able to calculate an alcohol concentration that was present in your lung air sample, which made its way into the breath chamber, and then infrared light was shined through it and measured.